Okay, now that we all have our Edpuzzle account set up and ready to go, I just wanted to take a moment and show you how YouTube and Edpuzzle are linked to one another. The great thing about Edpuzzle is there are so many videos already uploaded to the site that you are able to use, okay? So if you don't want to necessarily make your own Edpuzzle video, you can most likely find something on this site connected to the topic that you're searching for, okay? You can see people from Amesbury High School and their videos. You can save your content here, okay? But if you wanted to create your own video, you had specific questions that you wanted to use, I'm going to show you two ways that you can connect a YouTube video into your Edpuzzle page. So I'm going over to YouTube right now. I've searched for different festivals in Spain. I know I want to use this one that happens in Sevilla. I've watched the videos and I've selected, I'm going to mute this so it's not super loud. I've selected this video. This is the one that I want to embed my own questions in. Of course, there's an ad. Skip over this. All right, so this is the video that I want to put into Edpuzzle so that I can embed my own questions, my own voiceovers, so on and so forth. The first option that you can use to import this video into Edpuzzle, simply copy and paste the link at the top. We're going back to our Edpuzzle page, and in the upper left-hand corner we see search content. All you're going to do is paste that link, search, and there you go. Your YouTube video is here for you in your Edpuzzle account, and this is where you can start to cut the video down, add a voiceover if you want to give an introduction or something to the video, and most importantly, embed your questions, okay? So that's option number one for linking a YouTube video to Edpuzzle. The second one, and this one is really cool. I'm going back to YouTube here just so I can show you. There's an extension, an Edpuzzle extension, and if you install it, you will see Edit with Edpuzzle. This will come up in the bottom right-hand corner, right below the video. When you click on Edit with Edpuzzle, again, this is if you have installed the extension. Edit with Edpuzzle. Again, it brings you right to your Edpuzzle page. The only difference is we didn't copy and paste the link. We simply clicked on that Edit with Edpuzzle. Okay? Actually, you know what? Let me show you. If you don't have the extension, I'm just going to search Edpuzzle extension. Add the Edpuzzle Chrome extension. Pretty straightforward. You'll go to the Chrome Web Store. Mine is already installed, but let's pretend it's not. I'm going to remove it for the sake of showing you. This is what you would come to. You would find Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then you'll notice these are all of my Google extensions up here. And now my Edpuzzle extension has been installed as well, excuse me. Which means when I go to YouTube, any YouTube video that I search, I'll be given that option to edit with Edpuzzle. I simply click on that and it will bring me to my Edpuzzle page and I can start editing, creating questions, voiceover, so on and so forth. Really simple, a really cool website to use, and it's super easy to use with YouTube. The good thing about Edpuzzle though is if you don't feel like making your own, you can most likely find one on the site already made for you. But now you know two really easy ways to upload a YouTube video into your Edpuzzle page.